Well, good day to you. It's another beautiful day here in Montana, and I am making my way down to one of my favorite places to visit here in southwest Montana. But before I do, I need to air down my tires a little bit because this road gets especially rough. And since it's about 30 miles of rough backcountry road, I think it's much more advantageous for me to do so. So let's get that taken care of first, and then let's hit the road again. Yeah, 93 pounds is a bit much. Oh, holy crap. I've never had to deal with such a loud, that's a lot of pressure there. I'm almost worried about it cutting my skin, because holy cow. About 40 pounds less now. And now repeat 3 more times. All right, now we're back on the road. Here I was all concerned that the road was going to be graded the whole way, but nope. It's gotten rough. It's gotten proper rough. So right up here in front of me, when I was coming through here last year on my side-by-side, I went across this pond, and it looks like it's not nearly as deep as it was last year, because it used to be about 2 feet deep. That looks kind of deep. I bet if I hit that at least 45 miles an hour, I can hydroplane right over it. Let's give it a whirl. I don't think I'm gonna go as fast across it as I did the other time, but let's just see what this looks like. Yeah, not bad at all. Not quite as much fun with a 16,000 pound machine versus a 2,300 pound mini trophy truck. Well, we made it all the way up here, and it is quite beautiful. But the one problem that I'm starting to realize right now with this particular spot is there's no fire ring, and it's quite windy. So let's get back down the road to a camp spot that I found on the way up here, because it looks a lot better than this one. Here we go. Come on out. Good girl. Yeah. Ooh. She's raging pretty good today. The views aren't quite as spectacular down here, but there's a nice river. Although this thing is moving so quick that I don't even know if there's a point in throwing a line in. because it would just, woo, gone in a second. Pretty spectacular though, isn't it? Now I did decide to take a couple steps to make my videos seem a little bit more like Kenny's videos. And one of those is audio. I got one of these little furry guys right here. Aside from that, I also decided to give myself one more thing to just make life while I'm way out here in the sticks that much easier. So let me show you what I have. Sounds so cheesy. But first and foremost, I need to do something about my step because it is ridiculously high right now. That's pretty sketchy. Oof. Well, it's better than dealing with this. Oh, that's not too bad. All right. I got one of these things. I've been on the fence about wanting to get internet or not, you know, and connect to the outside world while I'm back here in this beautiful country, but I think I've had plenty of time to enjoy not having internet reception. Plus I can always just keep it off if I want to. Now this thing has to be positioned north, so yeah, I'm gonna guess that's about north. Alrighty, let's see if this actually works. Work less, enjoy life more. Oh my Lanta! Can you believe it? I have the interwebs and I'm way out here. That is just unbelievable. I guess now that I know that it works, I'll see you tomorrow. No, I'm going to get back outside and enjoy this beautiful area I find myself in. You know, I really love it when folks leave firewood, like right there. This should be enough for the whole night. All right. Oh, that one went. This wood might be a little bit on the wet side. Oh, she'll go after the next one. Oh my God. What is wrong with this wood? This is just pine. It should split super easy. What is happening here? All right. Oh my gosh. There we go. All right. Time to give her the onions. This is the toughest pine I've ever split before. What in the heck? I need like a 10-pound maul. Oh. Temperatures are finally starting to get nice. I'm not ready for the summer. Not ready at all. It was 84 out today and I felt like it was 100 degrees. Oh, she's getting a little hot. You can smell those caramelized onions right now. Ooh-wee. Better move this away from those coals. There we go. I forgot a wash towel, which is what I always use to grab hot stuff, but here is my delicious looking burger. I've got some paprika on the top, which is why it looks so red. Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Those potatoes are looking pretty dang good. My carrots are a little bit on the burn side though. Oops. Not too bad for my first time with cast iron. Get this thing in that beautiful grease. Oh yeah. I don't think so. No. Go on. Yeah. Go. Go. Always coming in for the mooch. Moochy Moocherton. All right, I think I'm gonna leave that hang out in here for probably about maybe 7 minutes per side at the very most. I may have overcooked. I should have added those onions later. Oh well. I might just pull this off now and let it cook a little bit slower. Bye. Your meal, sir? I mean, it doesn't look like the most appetizing thing, but it's food. I'm just happy that I get to eat some food. Give her the old first bite here. It's not bad. It's not great. Not bad for my first cast iron cook. Well, I think this is going to close out the night. It's starting to get dark out here. I put the fire out and I'm ready to get into the camper and start editing the next video. It's just nonstop, I swear. Like, you want to make it on YouTube, you really, really have to dedicate yourself. I'm very surprised. So, I suppose we'll see you in the morning. Alrighty, well, here comes my least favorite part of the end of the trip, and that is airing back up. And I'll time it too, see how long it All right, so it's been 8 minutes and 30 seconds plus 30 seconds, so it's been 9 minutes. Let's see what we're at. Oh no. I'm at 64.5 psi. Started at 50. I'm gonna be here for a long time. Well, I was looking around in the forest a little bit, and much to my surprise, right over here is one of, I believe it's 15 species of orchids that grow in Montana. And I believe this one is called coral root. Isn't that cool? Well, it appears that I'm learning a very valuable lesson right now about having to upgrade my compressor. I've been through almost an entire battery. It's been 17 minutes and 40 seconds, and I'm only at 76 psi. All right, so it has officially been 1 hour, 20 minutes, and 15 seconds to fill up these 4 tires. Not even to the air pressure that I want to. Yep. I think I definitely need to figure out a different method for filling up these tires next time. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you didn't, well, sorry. You probably didn't make it this far anyway. So, yeah, it's time for me to hit the road and get ready for the work week. So, see you on the next one.